Well, hello, angels. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I got a harmonica, right? So, don't know why I grabbed it, but I got a. But check this out, y'all. All right, y'all. The melodies of bluegrass, baby. The sadness of music, baby. Ooh, Father, in the name of Jesus is Eve live in the flesh, baby. Give me a little tune for somebody singing the blues, baby. What else, Father, do you want to talk about? What did we talk about? Ooh. All right, so we got 4 things to talk about. Okay? No, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. That means major arcana's coming, baby. So we got the keys, baby. Oh, you shining bright city, giving you the light, the green light to unlock the keys and the doors of success. To open up all things, restore. Cause while you going up the ladder with the stairs, baby, it's time to climb. It's time to grow. We started at the bottom, now we're here. We got the keys and it's loud and clear. Okay, we got the clock because we know they ran out of time because time was tick tock, tick tock. And they didn't even see that they was on the back of the car was frozen in time. Ooh, but they rounded them up like little cattle, baby. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, they rolled them up, baby. It was a rodeo of a lifetime. They were supposed to hold on, but they couldn't hold on, baby. Why? Because the boat left them behind. They know how nowhere to swim. The boat done passed them by. Now they trying to swim miles to catch up. Y'all ain't hear that? The horn has blown. Time to